Hello, and welcome to my house. I'm Cookie, the cat, and I live here with my family. There's lots of fun things to do here, and there are many rooms to explore. Come with me and see all the fun things I do. In the morning, I like to spend time in the living room. The whole family sits on the couch, and I lie on the floor. Sometimes I jump on the table and look out the window. You can usually see children on their bikes or on their skateboards. When everyone leaves the house, I jump on the sofa and take a short nap. After my nap, I eat some food. My food and water are near the kitchen and next to the dinner table. My family always puts a new meal in my bowl. Today, I am eating a delicious fish. Once I eat all my food, I drink the water in my other bowl. Now I have enough energy for the whole day. Come, let me show you the bathroom. Above the sink, there is a mirror and some lights. I typically jump on top of the sink and look in the mirror. In the mirror, I can see my reflection. I like to check my fur and my ears. And, like always, I look so handsome today. After I spend some time in the bathroom, I go to the bedroom. Near the bed, there are some cat toys. I play with the toys in front of the bed. I do this because there is enough space to play in front of the bed. When I'm tired, I take another nap under the bed. It's dark and cool under the bed. It's the perfect place for a nap. It's the perfect place to relax. In the afternoon, my family comes back from work and from school. They normally watch TV or a movie together. I normally sit between them when they are on the couch. Between the television and the couch, there is a small table for drinks. Sometimes I like to sit there when the movie is really interesting. At night, I go outside and enjoy the fresh air. I like to sit in the tree behind the house. Behind my house, there are no walls and there is no ceiling. There are just the trees and the sky. Above my house, in the sky, I can see the stars and the moon. Under the sky, I can see all the lights from our city. This is the perfect place for a moment of peace and quiet. At the end of the day, I go back to my house, eat some more food, drink some more water, and lie in my bed. Today was an amazing day. Thank you for spending time with me. I had a lot of fun. And I hope you had fun too. Have a great night and see you soon. What kind of stories do you want to hear? Comment below and tell us. Remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.